Okay, to repeat something. Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to download TinyTask. So what is TinyTask? In short, it does things for you. Okay, so if you need a simple task like to click to do some stuff, okay, to repeat something, like you want to go in some game and just to program, press enter. That is how you do it. Okay, I'm gonna show you first. Okay, I'm gonna explain everything. So here is the link, tinytask.com, latest. Okay, this is they're explaining also, but okay, and what we're going to, okay, click download. Sorry, download here. Okay, yeah. Okay, TinyTask. Okay, open it, and you can right click and pin to taskbar, and here you can do some stuff like, okay, I'm gonna type notepad, and I'm gonna open notepad, and I'm gonna okay, so here there's a recording playback hotkey. I set it on F8, playback on F12, continuous playback, and I will type hello this. Okay, I'm gonna click F8. Hello, this is test, and F8 to remember it, then F12. You see? Yeah, it's doing it. And yeah, that is how you download and install TinyTask and how you use it. Goodbye guys, and leave a like.